Hello guys, today I bring you another beautiful crochet hair. This is the Kima Ripple Deep hair. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to be linking it down below if you love it. And I installed it on my beautiful model, and as you all know, we are going to be testing the longevity of this particular hair. We are going to do the hard work for you and let you know if this is worth your time and your money. Okay guys, so I look for beautiful crochet hair because sometimes we just want that simple hair that we can just install very quick and just go, and we want it to last us a little bit. Okay, some of this synthetic hair will just last you for about a week and they are done. Guys, we are trying to see if we can get at least 3 weeks from this particular hair, so you need to stay tuned so you can see exactly how it turned out after 3 weeks. Okay, and even how it turned out just right now after we installed the hair, so you will see if this is worth your time and your money again. But before we go on, please subscribe and like and comment on this channel. Look at that beauty, look at that. All right guys, this is exactly after 3 weeks, and my beautiful model came back to show me how it looks. Honestly speaking, this hair looks good. It didn't even look like this is a synthetic hair. It looked almost exactly as it was the first day we installed the hair. I just added some more hair because the volume reduced. Okay, so I wanted more volume, so I just went ahead to trim off a little bit, and then I added some more hair, and I tell you, she was able to rock this hair for another 3 weeks guys. Everybody's commenting on this course. It doesn't even look like it's been done for a while. It looked like she just had it like about a week ago, and this is synthetic. Can you beat that? This is not a paid advert. This is just genuine review telling you exactly how it went down. Look at it. She is back after 3 weeks guys, exactly after 3 weeks. So guys, if you want to get this hair, I am going to be linking it down below. This is perfect for the summer, it's perfect for winter, any weather or any season at all. Okay, it is cheap, it is not really expensive, and this is synthetic. It came out good. 2 packs or 2.5 packs will be enough for you if you want it very full, and it's going to come out beautiful. This is Kima Braids. Guys, I would love you to please subscribe, like I said, like, comment and share. Let me know down below if you are going to be trying this. And look at how beautiful my model looks. She looks gorgeous. Honestly, she looks extremely gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.